a new potential in surface heating technology. This high-performance heating paste, based on carbon nanotubes, delivers rapid, uniform, and efficient heat transfer. AccuPaste sets a new standard for heating solutions. Unlike traditional nichrome wire systems, AccuPaste generates consistent heating across the entire surface area. Heat is evenly distributed rather than concentrated in one area, resulting in superior thermal performance. AccuPaste is formulated with carbon nanotubes as its core heating filler, leveraging Bioneer's proprietary blending technology. The product appears as an opaque black paste and, depending on the type, has a viscosity ranging from approximately 80,000 to 200,000 cp, making it compatible with various printing equipment. With adjustable coating thickness, AccuPaste allows flexible thermal design. AccuPaste exhibits powerful heating even at a low voltage of 12 volt and can reach up to 300 degrees Celsius in under 10 seconds. It maintains stable performance at high temperatures for extended periods without damaging the coating layer. It also allows for uniform, thin film coating, ensuring consistent heat distribution. When applied to film, it offers excellent flexibility, enabling use on a wide range of substrates. AccuPaste delivers high-temperature heating and energy efficiency across various industries, such as automotive heating systems, industrial heaters, and household heating appliances. Bioneer holds multiple domestic and international patents and provides reliable heating technologies through continuous research and development. The AccuPaste lineup is diversified by resistivity and viscosity, offering customized paste solutions to meet user needs. With trusted technology and quality, AccuPaste leads the future of heating technology.